Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray, GlennMurrayOnline.com. How are you? Tonight's episode is 100% free funnel for you, a free funnel for you. How to create a sales funnel for beginners. This episode is basically, I'm just going to give you a done for you funnel. It is completely free for you to use. There are some tools that will cost you, but all of them have, except for one of them, all of them have a trial period. So you can go out and try it and without spending any money. Well, there's one you spend $25, but you will get to use this entire funnel for free. And this is what earns me income every single day, guys. Every single day, this kicks out money to me. So you want to be using it. So if you like videos on how to make money, how to do this kind of work, how to make funnels, how to do sales funnels, how to do sell ClickBank stuff, how to do pay-per-call, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification and let's get into it. All right, first off though, here's one of the things that's driving me crazy. So a lot of you, and thank you all new subscribers. I've been growing my channel since this summer, and I think we're 430 some odd members. So thank you guys. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. I like that you reach out to me. I know I'm getting lots of spammers. I'm trying to keep up on the spammer content, but you know what? That's what happens, right? You get spammer comments, and that's what happens. That's fine. But here's the deal. There is no magic bullet, guys. Everything online takes work, and you have to be, I used this the other day, tenacious. Tenacious means you're just going to not stop until you achieve what you want, right? And this is where so many people get lost, or they're like, well, how do you do it? And I go, well, you do this. But how do you do that? It's like there's no like follow the steps. It's laid out for you, and honestly, guys, this work is not hard work. It isn't. It's not like going out and doing physical labor. It's sitting down and basically copying, not verbatim, but basically emulating and copying what people are doing that are successful. And people go, well, I did that, but I didn't have the results. I'm like, yeah, but did you do it for 2 years? Because that person that you're following, that has 100,000 followers and they're making a ton of money, they've been doing it for 2 years. They didn't just try it for a couple of months, like, oh, I didn't make any money, right? And jump from thing to thing to thing, although they probably did when they started. But then they found something, they found some training or whatever it was, and they realized, sorry guys, a little haze on my glasses, and they realized like this is what it's going to take. It's actually going to take doing the work, getting down and every single day getting up, whether you feel like it or not, and promoting yourself, going on to Facebook and promoting, going on to Twitter. And you know what, guys, it gets boring for me too. It does. Like, I won't kid you. Some days are just boring because I'm doing the same thing over and over. The good thing is, what happens is that I've been doing it long enough that each morning I get to wake up with new opt-ins, new commissions sitting there, right? So when I wake up, I'm like, oh, look, there's a sale, there's a new opt-in, and that's what's happened. But it's been a grind, guys. Been working at this very, very hard. If you go back and look at my YouTube channel, there's almost a video almost every day. I try to get one every day. It's right now it's 11 p.m. at night. It's been a super long day for us, but you know what? I was like, oh, I gotta go to bed. It's like, nope, I gotta get this video done because I am tenacious, and I want to show people this funnel, because this funnel I started doing it about longer than that, 6 months ago, and one of the programs in it just keeps resurging and keeps spitting out commissions, and it's so good that I just keep promoting it because it works. And what it is, it's basically showing you how to create a sales funnel, how to set up an email campaign, how to get those the people that are put people onto your list, and then move them into different products along the email the sort of email chain. And I think there's 53 emails in there, guys. 53 emails in this funnel for you. Those are all free, right? You just import them into your autoresponder that I'm going to show you how to set up. Actually, the whole system sets it up for you. So let's where are we at here? Okay, so 100% free funnel, easy to create sales funnel for beginners. Are you looking for a way to build an affiliate sales funnel? Guys, this is the foundation for almost all the funnels that I have going. And I have tons of funnels going for other products different campaigns. I have funnels going for so many things. Yeah, there's like I probably 12, oh no, more than that, but 12 active that I'm actually out there. My Twitter feeds are promoting about 12 different campaigns, I think. Um, and basically, and again, this is just a free funnel template for you to basically plug your information into. So what's cool about this is that you will be able to make money on every single element of this funnel, right? um like everything, like, so when you share this with someone, you will make the money. A lot of funnels that would have that I've joined and I've seen, a lot of programs will be, someone will train and they'll say, well, you need to sign up for this, and you need to sign up for this, and you need to sign up for this, and then I'm going to give you this done for you funnel, but I'm not going to let you make commissions on those other things that I referred you to. So basically, you're giving all your subscribers or your opt-ins, you're giving a portion of your income to that other person because you're using their funnel, but you don't get to put in your affiliate link. If you understand affiliate marketing, you understand that. If you don't, message me. But if you get that, if you've seen programs like that, there was one I just actually joined. I bought it. I don't know, it was a $20 product or something. And I went through the whole sales process, and I was going, well, I don't know if I want to promote this, because if I promote it, yeah, I can make it like a $10 commission here, or on the back end, I can make this other commission. But there's all these spots along the way in the middle that I'm not going to be making commission on, and I don't want to do that. I'd rather go build my own and make commission all the way long, right? Or use the one I have, because basically, guys, it all comes down to this. Here's an opportunity. Here's a landing page. And to use this landing page, we recommend using this software, which is a subscription based. We recommend using this other software, which is a subscription based. And we recommend promoting these products, which most of the time they're just free to promote. And we recommend this traffic to work this funnel, and that traffic is also commission based, right? So that's where you profit. You get to make money on all along the way. Let me just show you what I'm talking about, and then you will see. So let's go over here to my screen. So you might have seen this already. This is the link I want you to, this is the free funnel. This is the start of it. This will be your landing page. I've actually created a split test there. I don't know if I can get it to come up, but yeah, so this is the split test. This is the other page. So when people go to that page, they'll go back and forth between these two. And what's cool is I'll give you this. All you need to do is switch out your image there, and that's it, right? That's all you need to do. And then what's going to happen is people are going to opt in, and then they will be taken to this page. And basically this training is all done, and every single video is going to walk you through every single step of what you need to do. Once that's set up, you go to the next step. And guys, these programs that you are going to be capitalizing on, these are the top of the industry. Guys, these are the top of the industry programs. So this isn't just, some crap programs that'll be gone in a day or a week or a month or something. These are like the top programs. So these are the ones you want to get into. So you're going to be getting a SendShark. You set up your ClickBank, they're totally free, and this system actually sells ClickBank products for you. It's so cool. It's so awesome. So again, all the videos are right there, how to set up. Once you finish that step, you go through and it tells you exactly how to, there's how you import your funnel, how you put your links in, and the whole, everything you need is right here. And basically import your funnel, go through it. You put your code in there. That's how you get all the emails. And then when you want to add traffic to this funnel, yeah, it basically goes right to here. And guess, so this will be yours. This is yours, right? You control these links here. I recommend getting affiliate memberships for these links. Click these links here and become an affiliate there, and then recommend these ones. If you have other traffic sources that you really like, then put your traffic sources here. Remember, you don't want to put something here that's not going to work for someone. You want to put something there that's actually going to work for them, that's going to actually bring them leads. And that's what's so important. And if something's not working for you, then take it out of there and put something else in. Because again, this is your funnel I'm giving you. So when you go in here, you'll click on these. What you see will be my affiliate links, but when you give this funnel to someone else, or someone else goes through this funnel, those links are going to be your funnels. Okay, those are going to be your links, and that's it, guys. It's so friggin' awesome. And there you go. That's done. And then you can join the Facebook group if you want. And if you want me to set up the funnel, you can just message me. I'll set the whole thing up for you. It's not a big deal. But I recommend that you go through and do it, because you want to be someone that has some experience in it, so you understand how it works. Because, guys, it doesn't stop with this funnel. Where you want to be is you want to be able to build these yourself, and that's why I want to give this to you, and then you can take it and you can go create your own funnel and do it, and basically build an entire tribe. Right? And this is how it works, guys. It's so awesome. I love it. So I'm going to give you that one. If there's a couple other links I put in the description down below, some other funnels that you may be interested in. But once you have this software that's in this funnel, you're going to be able to use that software over and over and over and create other funnels for other people and get them to like, hey, you could do this with, for example, right? Let's say you want to promote an MLM product. You want to promote a weight loss product. So you would create like, hey, join my weight loss team and I'm going to give you this funnel. Well, you just change out the first page into saying, hey, join my weight loss group. I'm going to give you XYZ vitamins or whatever. Now, on the next page, you could just make a split page and say, hey, are you interested in becoming a reseller, or do you just want to buy the product? Now, if they just want to buy the product, they click that link, they go to your page, they buy the product, it's done. Now, if they want to become a reseller, you say, that's great. I will actually give you this tool, and they're able to then set up an account and import the whole funnel for them. They change their links. You make the videos on how to change the links. And basically that's it, guys. So you're going to have this blueprint for you to do this yourself. And that's why it's so cool. And this is why you really want to do this and have this free funnel to get started in your online business. Because, guys, this is the root of it. If you're not creating a sales funnel online, you're not doing business online. You're just gambling. You're not doing it. This is how it's done. You create a landing page, you collect an email, you send them to an offer. You create a landing page, you collect their email, you send them to an offer. You then email them an offer. You email them an offer, you email them an offer. This is how the money is made. They either buy, or they unsubscribe, or they stay on your list forever and they buy something 3 years down the road. All right, guys, that's what I have for you tonight, because I'm going to get off here. I want to get this published before midnight, so it goes up today, not tomorrow. I hope this is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and please comment if you have any problems. If you want to try this funnel for yourself, maybe you're working on a funnel, you need some help. Message me, and we'll take a look and see if I can point you in the right direction or help you out. All right, guys, cheers.